Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll explain what you can do if you need to change your date of birth on stake.com. Now, first, it's important to understand that Stake does not typically allow users to change their date of birth once it's entered during registration. This is because your date of birth is a key part of their verification system. It confirms your age and ensures you meet legal requirements for gambling. Because of this, changing your date of birth is usually against their terms and conditions. So, what are your options? Option 1, if you made a mistake when signing up, the best thing you can do is contact Stake support directly. They may ask you for identification documents, and in some cases, they let you know whether your account can be corrected. Option 2, if Stake cannot change your date of birth, you may need to create a new account using the correct information. When doing this, make sure your date of birth matches your official ID because you'll need it later for verification. Remember, always use accurate personal information when signing up. Using the wrong date of birth can cause problems when withdrawing funds or verifying your account. So, while Stake doesn't give you the option to edit your date of birth, you can either reach out to support for help or start fresh with a new account using the correct details. And that's it. That's how to change your date of birth on Stake. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.